हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जिसका नाम है टेक्नो मंत्रा। आई एम वेरी ग्लैड टू सी यू ऑल हियर। दिस इज माय फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो अबाउट टेक्नो मंत्रा। सो बिफोर प्रोसीड फर्दर आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। सो माई नेम इज शुभम भोरे। I completed my engineering in the field of electronics and telecommunication. After that, I joined one organization where I work as a research fellow. At the same time, I joined one educational institute where I work as a teacher. Near about 1 year I worked there. After that I changed my mind. I think I should go into the industry. Then I start preparation, I acquired some practical knowledge. I attend some classes. And from last 1.5 year, I am working in the automobile industry where I am dealing with new responsibilities, new challenges, learning new technologies day by day. So based on this 2.5 year working experience and 4 year college life, I got to know that is whatever knowledge we have in our college life is not enough to grasp a good position in industry. So इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि जो नॉलेज हमें कॉलेज में यूजफुल नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हमें कोई बिल्डिंग बनानी है तो पहले हमें उसका बेस बनाना पड़ेगा. तो सेम थिंग हैपेंस इन द कॉलेज. इन कॉलेज में हमारा एक बेस क्रिएट होता है. तो इसके बाद हम जिस इंडस्ट्री में जाना चाहे, जिस सेक्शन में जाना चाहे, जिस पार्ट में जाना चाहे, हम जा सकते हैं. उसका बेस हमारे कॉलेज में क्रिएट होता है. बट मेनी स्टूडेंट ओनली आर लर्निंग, मगर उन्हें यही पता नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स को कि वो किस लिए पढ़ रहे हैं. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट के पास नॉलेज है, ओनली थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज दे हैव, बट दे डोंट नो हाउ टू मैप दिस थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज विथ प्रैक्टिकल, हाउ टू मैप दिस थियरी नॉलेज विथ इंडस्ट्री. So because of this, the eTechno Mantra come into the picture. So you have a different point in your mind, like what is eTechno Mantra, what it will do. So what is eTechno Mantra? eTechno Mantra is a e-platform which will provide you theoretical as well as more practical knowledge. The eTechno Mantra is basically work in the field of electronics and their related field. This platform is available for all those who wants to learn new technology, those who want to acquire new knowledge, those who want to explore themselves. eTechno Mantra having a clear vision and mission. Our vision is to build up the adaptive personality for practical electronics era, and our mission is to develop the practical techno smart skill among the student. In our both mission and vision, we are more focused on the practical. Actually, eTechno Mantra provide you a two-way communication for their learner. If you are learning with us, we are providing our contact information, social media information, email information in the description of each and every video. That's why if any learner having a difficulties or any question, they can directly contact to us and we will provide our best to resolve their queries. So because of this, the learner or student can understand the concept more easily and clearly. Already I say that eTechno Mantra is working in the field of electronics and they're related. So electronics is like an ocean. Their number of stream is there. So eTechno Mantra focus each and every stream step by step. But we have a plan, that is we will start with the more important part of electronics, that is embedded. So embedded is a combination of hardware and software. In the embedded you covered your both the part, hardware part of electronics and their related software. So it is most important and most growing part of the industry. If you have a good knowledge of embedded, their hardware, their software, then you have huge scope in electronics industry. So that's why eTechno Mantra decide to start from embedded system. The eTechno Mantra have a well-designed syllabus with the assessment, assignment, different tests and a bunch of interview questions on each and every topic. We divide our embedded system course in 3 parts, like version 1.0, version 2.0 and version 3.0. Now we are learning a technical, that's why I given the name like this. So in first part, version 1.0, I will teach you about C language, basics of C language, hardware like processor, controller and embedded C language. Once you learn all these 3 parts, then you are able to understand the embedded system and you are able to design your own embedded system. Once you learn these things, then we will go to the next step, that is version 2.0, where I will teach you advanced C language, different in the hardware, different sensor, controller, how to interface with controller, ARM controller, like this. And last one is embedded C language. Like before first version we will go to the basics, and next version I will teach you the different protocol in embedded C language which will be useful to communicate with sensor or different devices. After that, in last version I will teach you the detailed process of project designing. The project designing processes depend on the industry. how the industrial people design a project, what is the different phases. Based on this, we will design our embedded system project. So in last version, I will explain you the one project in details, and if the student want their own project, to design their own project, they can contact to us. Our team will help them to design their own project with the base of industrial standard, how the industry follow their different standard, what is different steps in the project designing and all. So this is all about eTechnoMantra. So first we start with embedded system course, and also in upcoming days we are come up with some different technologies and courses. So please connect with us, subscribe our channel. Keep learning, keep enjoying with eTechnoMantra. This is time to learn theory practically. सो गाइज मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जहां से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे हमारे एम्बेडेड सिस्टम की जर्नी. सो बाय, एंजॉय योर डे, सी यू.